Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for you for the second half of July. That's from now till the end of July. So, um, Leo, you do know these are general collective readings, right? One will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. And now let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Okay, Leo, we're good to go. Done. So thank you all my subscribers for all your love and care and shares and likes and comments. And if you're new here, welcome to our little Omkara family. Do subscribe, we become part of us, we welcome you. We meet here once a week for each zodiac sign. So it'll be a pleasure having you join us. So for the newbies here, I do these readings as one side is you, one side is the other person, and the center we have your mutual energies, right? Person one, person A, person B, you decide which side you resonate best with. And overall, I have 7 of cups for you, Leo, which is either you are confused at the moment, have too many options maybe, or too many illusions. Oh, right, 5 of Wands. Some conflict here, the Empress, 9 of Cups, 3 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Okay, here, Leo, here's you, the King of Wands. Right? You're ruling your reading already. Let's see on the other side. 6 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Swords in reverse, 4 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, and the 4 of Swords in reverse. Great. Let's just clarify these energies first and then we go into your mutual energies. So Leo, I think you are here, but let's see. There was some kind of conflict which happened in the past with... yeah, you wanted to move ahead with somebody, maybe the feminine here. I think this is the masculine energy on the left side. So you really wanted to work or go towards this feminine who was gorgeous, who you thought was perfect, who was the queen of all queens. She looked good, she felt good, she smelled good, but somehow there was some kind of conflict which happened, even though you were very keen to take this forward, right? And something happened which made this was in reverse, so made this Empress turn into the Queen of Wands. So she got a bit upset with you, it seems. And that left you feeling a little unhappy. You were not happy because they, I think, turned their back on you after this conflict happened. 9 of Cups, Spirit. What was this 9 of Cups? What is this non-wish fulfillment? Yeah, I think the offer that you made, or the masculine made to this feminine, was a little wishy-washy. It was more romantic, flirty. I don't think the masculine really put in any work, any solid work towards this feminine, and this feminine, I think, turned her back. Let's be more clear. Yeah, this... And after that, I don't think you even apologized to her. You didn't apologize to her. You got busy maybe in your own work, in your own life or whatever. After all the flirting or whatever that you did, after, you realized this Queen of Wands was in reverse and she was upset, and after whatever conflict happened, there was a lack of even an apology from the masculine to the feminine, and somebody's just turned their back on this. The 3 of Wands, Spirit. 3 of Wands here, person A. Now you're stressed. Because of this thing coming to an end, right? So because on time, maybe you were busy. This seemed like, it started off well. It started off well, and then maybe person A got little involved in their own life and forgot about this queen altogether, and even didn't even apologize or anything. And when this person turned their back, now this person A is stressed out and said, "Oh my God, what happened here? I've lost the Empress." So why is this person stressed out, Spirit? Now they want to reach out again. They want to reach out. Person A wants to now send a message again. They want to re-begin something stable, maybe solid, maybe small, to try and recapture whatever was lost. So let's have a card for the Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. What is this Knight? They feel they missed out on this new start. They feel they totally missed out on this new beginning with the feminine here, and they now want to come towards her because they are in this King of Wands energy, right? They were passionate and ready to take this maybe to a long haul, and they did feel a lot of love for this Empress as well. Let's see. Now, Spirit, King of Wands, please. Oops, that was quick. Yeah, King of Wands wants to return now. Okay, this person wants to return and offer love or something stable, and they don't want the feminine to be angry or upset. I think this equation started off well, and then the fight happened, and then there was a stagnancy, and this queen got angry and left. Okay, now this king wants to come back. Let's see now here what is going on the other side. Six of Wands in reverse. Now this person, after this conflict happened, I think, Leo, this person was feeling very, very let down, embarrassed about what happened. Not victorious, not feeling happy or victorious at all. They feel like they've been humiliated by person A's behavior. And they've kind of let go. Yeah, they've put a stop death to the situation. They've put a total end. They felt very, very let down or embarrassed by whatever conflict or whatever happened here. They've put a death to the situation and they're letting go. They're letting go of all this regret, unhappiness, or whatever was hurting them. They've let it go now. And they're now in the Eight of Swords energy, which is again whatever they were stressing about, thinking, tension, whatever, they've actually let it all go. They're not even wanting to accept any offer now. They're by themselves and not, they kind of feel that, somebody stabbed them, yeah, and they're hurting. And now they're unwilling to accept any offers towards them. Right? They feel not enough investment was put. Nobody invested properly into this relationship, maybe, and they are. Yeah, there was no they feel there was a lack of justice. This could have been possible, but now they feel there's been a lack of justice in this relationship, and now they no longer want to work towards it. Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Are they in the Eight of Cups now? In reverse, which kind of suggests that they may be returning. They're confused. They're confused whether they should, accept an offer and go back, or they shouldn't, because everything's very, they're not clear. They're not clear. They are trying to still heal and come out of their very resting mode that they've been in, and they want a fresh beginning, fresh start. Now, whether with person A or not, I don't know. Yeah, possibly. They want to heal now. They want to heal all these 10 swords that were plunged into their back by person A. They're trying to heal from that, and yes, they do feel that person A is their soulmate. They did have some happy memories with this person, and it may be there can be a fresh beginning with this person. But I think right now there's still a lot of illusions here. There's a lot of mystery, whether this is possible, not possible, because of what somebody did in the past. The Seven of Swords, right? Somebody was sneaky or did something wrong or came across as a player maybe. So they are not really sure. They are still kind of in the middle of letting go and thinking whether this is possible again or not. Let's see your mutual energy here. The Fool in reverse. the Hanged Man, and the Two of Cups in reverse. All right, Leo, I don't think any fresh beginning is happening right now. Still very, very stuck. Yeah. Mutual position, the Emperor. And the Two of Wands in reverse. I think somebody is kind of taking a call here not to be foolish anymore and not have a fresh new beginning or go back to the way things were. Right now, I think both of you are stuck, both of you are in Hanged Man's place right now, still trying to get enlightened whether it's possible for the two of you to have this wish fulfillment or not. Okay, let's have one more card, Spirit, Hanged Man. Yeah, right now I think, Leo, both of you not feeling very happy, both of you not feeling very victorious, even though the masculine, I think, is keen to take this forward. I think the feminine is still trying to get over this heartbreak of being abandoned and left behind or whatever. Two of Cups is right now, sorry, Leo, in reverse, right? Right now, I don't think any of you are able to come together and show love to each other. Yeah, this feminine has brought her sword up now. She is very clear, she is very ruthlessly clear. She's made a decision that no, I'm not going to deal with this anymore. You've hurt me, you have fooled me, and I am no longer going to be fooled again. So this is how it goes till the end of July. Even though the masculine is very keen. Queen is, the feminine is not in her right feeling for love towards this masculine right now. Let's see, Heart of Hearts. How does this feminine feel towards the masculine? Whether, Leo, you're the masculine or feminine. Yeah. How does this feminine feel towards the masculine now? Leo, this feminine, she's made a choice regarding this love, which could have been maybe. She's actually, I think, making a choice not to work together anymore, because she feels that she was totally left out, and she's still kind of healing from that, this feeling of abandonment or whatever. Even though there was potential here, maybe she's kind of, I think, making a choice of not working together with this masculine. Let's see how the masculine is feeling towards the feminine now. How's the masculine feeling towards the feminine? The masculine really wants to come towards her again, but in the same way as the Knight of Cups, which is again that flirty and fun energy, the romantic hero basically. And this is not good enough, I think. There's no apology here. He doesn't want to say sorry, so he doesn't want to show love. He just wants to come and flirt maybe, and this is actually leading to not a very happy space. It's not giving emotional happiness to the relationship. So any advice, Spirit, for Leo? Whether the Leo is the feminine or the masculine. Any advice for Leo now? Any advice for Leo? Leo, I'm sorry, this doesn't seem to be going very well. Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. That means no stability, no long-term potential. I think one or both of you, I think you, Leo, because I asked for you, you're going to be dropping this scenario altogether, and I think there'll be no communication regarding it either. You're not interested anymore, right? So let's see what my angels can bless you with here. So if you did have, Leo, a character who came into your life to just flirt and have fun, you are kind of letting that person go. Okay? This person was not there for the long haul. Let's see, my angels, any blessing, advice? Yes. Leo, you're supposed to keep your vision very, very clear as to what you want. Don't get fooled by these, be brave. Keep your vision totally focused on what exactly you want. Because you will meet lots of, if you want love, if you want pure love in your life, you have to be very sure of what your vision is. Don't get fooled. Okay, now there'll be lots of people. This could be you or the cross watcher, I don't know, but be brave and cut out anyone who doesn't serve this complete vision that you have for the beautiful love that you do deserve. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Leo, and do subscribe, and I'll see you next week. See you then. Love and light. Take care.